Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really cute insert card for you. This is my Hello Summer insert card. How fun is that? You've got that cool little sentiment there in the top, the fun sunglasses, and then this beachy scene here on the bottom. There's plenty of room on the inside for your message, and depending on which file version you use, I include an envelope as well. Now I'm going to be using my Cricut Joy Xtra for this, but I do have two different files within the download. One that's for the Cricut Joy and Cricut Joy Xtra that I'll be using in today's tutorial. There's also a version for the Cricut Explore and Cricut Maker series. If you're going to be using a Cricut Joy or Cricut Joy Xtra, you will need a pre-made envelope and card base. I'm going to be using the Cricut Joy insert card packs for both the card base and the envelope. I'm also going to be using the Cricut Joy Xtra card mat. No matter which version you use, this card is really easy to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. So take a look at the materials list and let's get started. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. This project was part of Summer Craft Party 2024. To get the cut file for this project, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewifecom/scp24. If you're interested in only this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop. I have links to both options in the description box below. No matter which option you choose, you'll want to make sure you download the cut file, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Now I'm going to be using the Cricut Joy Xtra for this tutorial. If you have a Cricut Explore or Cricut Maker series, you're going to want to select this file folder. Go ahead and highlight the SVG and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now with the Cricut Explore and Cricut Maker version, you are going to have to convert the score lines for the envelope and for the card base. Since I'm going to be using the Cricut insert card packs, I already have a pre-made envelope and a pre-made card base to use. For help with converting the score lines for the Cricut Explore and Cricut Maker series, make sure to check out the written tutorial for this project. I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. I'll be using the card mat for this card. I'm going to be using the R20, which is 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches. Go ahead and click Continue. Like I said, I'm going to be using the insert card packs for this project. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Alright, so I have everything cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I did have a little oops when I went to remove the card from the card mat. The little piece that goes between the two different palm trees did rip. So I'm not going to worry about it because once I get the insert into the card, I'm just going to glue that on and nobody will know. So if that happens, it's not a big deal. I'll just show you what to do when we get to that part. So I've already gone ahead and weeded any of the little bits and pieces. I'm going to open up the card and place the insert into those slits on the card base. And I'm just going to push down gently to make sure that everything is sitting where it's supposed to. And there we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glue and just put a few dabs here and there just to adhere the insert to the back of the card. This is totally optional. You don't have to do this. I'm just going to add a little bit of glue where that piece that ripped off is supposed to go. And there we go. And our card is all set. How fun was this card? Super beachy, super summery. It's really fun and uplifting, which is something that we want in the summertime, right? I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with me, whether that be through email or through our Facebook group. I would love to see your creations. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Summer Craft Party video. Bye-bye.